Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ankita. I'm a Montessori educator. I'm an early childhood expert. Today I'm not talking to you here as an educator. I'm talking to you as a mom. I'm talking to you as someone who has struggled to conceive her second child. और ये वीडियो का टाइमिंग बहुत रैंडम है. मैं बहुत टाइम से सोच रही हूँ कि मुझे वीडियो बनाना चाहिए to talk about my journey, to talk about everything I've gone through. But let me start with the good news. I am in my 7th month of pregnancy. That's the good news. And let me now tell you what has gone down. Okay, so let me tell you, this is a test failed test. कितने सारे हैं failed failed. So these are 4 failed for 4 months. I think countless मैंने फेंक दिए होंगे, so let's not even talk about those. And then there are, 2 positives. And then there's a third positive. Okay, so last year 2024 में ये सब कुछ हुआ, and now I'm in my 7th month. I've entered my 7th month of pregnancy, and it has been very hard to conceive this time around. I'm 35. मैंने expect नहीं किया था. और today I just want to talk about the decision to have a child in spite of all these difficulties, because मुझसे काफ़ी लोग पूछते हैं, your older daughter is already 5.5, so why do you want to have another child, and why did you want to go through all of this to have another child? So let me tell you, when Aish was 3.5 years, me and Saurabh were in Singapore, my husband. That's when I expressed the desire to him that I want to get pregnant again. I want to have another baby. And तब तक the window was closed for us. हमने decide किया था that we are one and done. And then the desire in me always was there that I want to have 2 children. I have grown up with a brother. I could not imagine Aish being the only child. And all of my friends were having babies, and Aish was already talking about, मेरी sister आएगी तो मैं ये करूँगी, मेरी sister आएगी तो मैं वो करूँगी. So she was already in that zone, and I knew for her, we are in a joint family. If she has a sibling, she's okay. If she doesn't have a sibling, it's okay. So ultimately, and my husband was okay with anything also. He said, okay, if you want to have a baby, we'll have a baby. If you don't want to have a baby, we won't. So it all came down to me. And deep down, I knew that I want to have another child. That desire was really strong. And so the journey started. It started when we went to Singapore last year. तो लोग जब मुझसे पूछते हैं why did I decide to have a second child, I don't know. I think parenting got so easy for me that I had the desire to do it. मेरे लिए बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट था the phase of 16 months to 2.5 years for Aish. तब मैंने पूरा गिव अप कर दिया था. बट देन धीरे धीरे just learning stuff, implementing systems, जो अब मैं लोगों को सिखा रही हूँ, I think my life became very sorted. Work wise also I really grew. I'm at a place where I'm completely financially independent. And then I was like, this is the right time. But your body also has to believe it's the right time. So इतने सारे ये failed pregnancy tests हैं, because उसके बाद जब हमने try किया, we were not successful. ओके, एंड उसके बाद भी आपको बहुत सारे प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट दिख रहे हैं जो पॉजिटिव है, बट उसके बाद क्या हुआ वो मैं आपको शायद एक बारी और कोई और एपिसोड में बताऊंगी. बट आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू कम हियर एंड टेल यू दैट इफ़ यू वांट टू हैव अ चाइल्ड एंड योर पार्टनर इज़ ऑन बोर्ड, देन प्लीज़ डोंट लिसन टू पीपल व्हेन दे से ओ 6 year एज गैप है, 7 year एज गैप है. मतलब मेरे पेरेंट्स के बीच में 9 years एज गैप है, तो मेरे बच्चों के बीच में 9 years एज गैप भी हो तो क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, So you have to do what's right for your family. I think that has to, be the bottom line. And your child and your family comes first. This is your decision to make, not somebody else's decision to make. I would say that to you. Of course, आपको खुद को on board आना होगा with the whole thought. कभी कभी होता है, I know a lot of parents who've had children because they just wanted a sibling for their child. But I don't know if that is a sound decision to make. I'm sure baby aane ke baad they're going to love the baby and everything, but then the mother or the father might not be ready. They do it just for the child, and I think that's unfair. It's okay maybe to some people, but मुझे लगता है that unless my desire to raise a child is very strong, I will not be able to do justice. I don't want to raise a child just to entertain or just because my older one wants one. Raise तो मुझे ही करना है, parent तो मैं ही हूँ. You know, she's going to be a friend, she's going to be a sister figure, but who's going to raise the child? So the onus really lies on the parent here. But otherwise, it's been an overwhelming journey. In my last pregnancy, I was quite depressed. I had just started working, my career was kicking off. I had worked in a school. I really wanted to open a school. वो नहीं हुआ, and I wanted to open a center. Nothing was really working out, and I just thought it's going to be so difficult now to get back to work, you know. And I'm somebody who really likes to work. Motherhood is fulfilling, but I also need to be someone for myself, and I need to be something. I need to be helpful. I need to make a difference. So, and तब Instagram भी नहीं था, ये 4,11,000-12,000 followers नहीं थे, 500 followers थे शायद, and I was not even posting regularly. And then what happened is, you know, we had Aish, and 3-4 months later, COVID hit. The world went online, and I launched all my programs online, and suddenly I was doing 18 hours a week work, and I was like, "Arey, ye kya hua?" You know, when did we go from being a new mom to getting your career back? So I think I owe everything to my daughter, and you know, people say in India it's still like, you know, ek beta hona chahiye, but if I had to do it all over again, choose anyone all over again, I would choose her. The truth is that she chose us, you know, and she's a deep feeling child, so it's not been a ride, but I think because of her मैंने इतना सीखा parenting कि I'm actually very proud of myself for being the parent I am today. And because of her, I think I'm able to help other people, because मुझे उनके problem समझ में आती है, मैंने face किया है वो सारे issues, right? So and this time around मैं pregnant हूँ, and I think my pregnancy is on the side and my work is in the forefront of everything. And it's very interesting because baby is just kicking. It's very interesting because I am creating now programs for early childhood parenting that have never been done. You know, the kind of programs I'm doing, the very wholesome, categorically aged programs that I am planning have never been done before in the country. I don't know if it is there in the world, but everything together in a platform I haven't come across, and I think this baby is now motivating to get that out there, you know. And I'm really excited for all the moms who are going to be joining me in this journey, and it's going to be very exciting. But coming back to the disappointment, coming back to the tests, the failed tests that you see, इतने सारे failures के बाद positives भी थे. Some of them did not result into a baby, but I think उसके बारे में कोई और एपिसोड में बात करेंगे. Today I just wanted to lay down the foundation that if you are struggling to have a child, if you don't want to have a child because of age gap, I am living proof, and you just need to get clarity on your thoughts. All right. So I will continue this conversation on another video some other time. Today I just wanted to come and start talking about this and keep the conversation going, and I will get into the details of my conceiving, the infertility, all the issues. Let me know in comments what your questions are, so in the next video I can address them. And subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. I will see you very soon.